know where you from. I live my life around this music shit. For sure, you gotta push it to the maximum. I go home and I ain't dealing with the petty shit. No more, keep on stacking chips and getting scratched. My dough, over instrumental, check my position, my mental won't stop. On the way to the top, hurry to the double, banging down your block. Put in that state and still skating, paper chasing why they hate. Who's we making, never faking, stay in front of my face, man. Influenced by rap and rock, shaking baby jaws, making that soft white rock. Age 14, that's when I hit the block. Mama looking at me broken hearted, asking me to stop. I'm in that trap life, yeah, to the fast life. I love the money like the fiends love that glass pipe. Instead of hate, you need to get your stack tight. And in my presence, you fuckers supposed to act right.
Nos fuimos de viaje, solo el crítico que se prepare. Ya lo sabe, no hay nadie que nos pare. Esta es la hora de que tu luz sea más que mi gente. Nos fuimos de viaje, solo el crítico que se prepare. Ya lo sabe, no hay nadie que nos pare. Esta es la hora de que tu luz sea más.
Street dream, all the way to the top. Yeah, too hard, I ain't gon' make it a pop. Yeah, I'm 13, he uploaded my clock. Yeah, I'm only wanting all this hate.